We're gonna change this exhaust fan. So hope you guys enjoy. So this is the exhaust fan that we're gonna install here. A little bit bigger, but we're gonna cut. We'll see how it goes. This is the heater. So now we're gonna check for power just to make sure we don't have it. Even though we turned off the switches. So we got an open attic here. We're gonna go from on top. See that water there, condensation? I don't know if you can see that bowl here. Okay, so with all these wires, it's always good to splice, even though there's no power. Cut that wire and always cut like if there's power. Oh gosh, did you guys see that? Why did that happen? I exactly know why. It was in the shot. Everything is grounded, so it scared me because the GFCI popped, but I didn't get shot. See that? Grounds out, and I'll leave it like that. It's good to know. It's Friday, so I want to leave here early and anticipate it. So now I'm not gonna cut nothing. I was gonna use my multi-tool bit. This guy here. It's pretty nice, but not today. Okay, so we're up in the attic here, and just, you know, for any exhaust fan connections and so forth, we want to make sure that we understand that any exhaust fan connections usually goes from on top. But wow, you guys see that too? It's not a good idea. Let me show you guys. So they have it exhausted. This is really nice. It's perfect for me. I could just sit down and pull up. Let me pull up without hurting myself. Oops, that's what I'm talking about. Don't want to drop my Bluetooth. This is what I'm talking about. I told the gentleman about the water, but where is it coming from? Condensation. Another problem too is, like, look where it's going. That's not a, yeah. I don't like to live in these areas, because literally you can get in from that. That's the other condominium. They can just open. It's just drywall. A little crazy. Oh, nice. Nicely tucked. Now you guys see these woods here. Most of the time there is wood between here, and I don't have a mask. Great. I think they've seen this before. That's why they want this replaced. It's more than just replacing this. So one thing to notice is that this is butt into the 2x6. I'm gonna cut from the top down. So I gotta make sure all this is, it seems to me the more you clean, the more there is. I'm back. I have my screw gun right beside me. So this is the power for the exhaust, which was this way. This was the power for the heater, and this was for the light and the actual exhaust. I don't know how perfect, but it's good. Wow. That's how much I gotta cut. That's the perfect 9.5. We always want to go a little bit more. The moment of truth. I always like to clean, 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 and then do it again. Oh. Ooh, ooh. What I tell you? Perfect. Did not fall. It was wedged. Whew. Now we're gonna put the brackets to sit up. That should be good to go. So earlier I installed the exhaust fan, but I jammed it in there and I was like, yikes. Had I taken it down, I could have broken the drywall, so I forgot to put these. So I gotta do it from the top now. My bad. Just wedge it in there. All this wetness. All this sweetness. Too much because you don't want to start breaking drywall. Kind of big for me. One of these small ones, just in case the flaps. The old man brings me some big stuff all the time. I always tell. Okay, that's one. Yeah, this angle's bad. Good thing the insulation is keeping my knees good. That's it. I ain't going nowhere. I don't think it is. What you guys think it is? Yesterday we were pulling 500s. I do have a video for that. I didn't. You guys didn't see the final product, which I'm a little upset, but that would have been fun. You guys see me struggle in the rooftop. And I've been doing this for a lot of years, so if you guys see me doing something questionable, chances are I have done it. And that's why I do it. But of course, I've done it with people that taught me too, so it's not like I'm doing this on my, like, winging it. So okay, so this is power for the heat, and this is the power for the exhaust and the light. So light blue, exhaust black. So just forgot the connectors. I'll go get them and then we'll go from there. And I almost lost this. Almost panicked. Last but not least. So you tug them all. Let's get this insulation out of there. Nice and tidy. All right, let me see where we at. Like this. All right. So had this contraption here. Kind of do this first. No, this insulation is not bad at all, so don't worry, guys. I've seen worse. It's that red one that's really old. See how many tools I lost? Good, I didn't lose none. Oh, yes, I did. Right here. I actually have 2 alignments. You always gotta have 2 of everything. Especially me, I lose everything. Except a wife, you only gotta have 1. Cause she'll kill me. That's how you do it. Okay, this little spot here was wet because there was water dripping, but I told the client it was just so flimsy, but you know, it's good to go there. And yeah, we're gonna go downstairs and fix the last.